We ain't got no ride out here to pick my son up, so now I gotta drive his truck to pick him up. Let's see how this go. Alright, here we go, y'all. I'm on my way. I'm on my way, son. Here we go. Y'all think I'm gonna make it? Here we go. And we jamming. Almost there, Daddy. We have arrived, Daddy.
Can I ride? Let me see you. Hold on. Check them out. Check them out. Okay. You like, hold on. Period. Okay.
Where's the gas? Go.
What the thing?
Daddy. Still got picked up. Serious, man. I was dead ass serious. We out here, man.
It's another coat?
Told that boy put his book bag in the back. Got his book bag backed up, bitch. Progress report. Yeah, we out, bitch. School out, man. We on our way. We controlling the traffic right now. As soon as I get out this sidewalk, we finna control the traffic. So. Got no car to go get my son, so I gotta take his goddamn truck. I'm on my way, Daddy. Ready to get you, Daddy. To get you by any means necessary, son. Son. Daddy.
Chuck.
Yup. My baby was happy I came and got him in his truck. The big got a titty bounce, bitch. Saucy Santana, bitch. Hey. Get back to the aisle. Back to the crib. Let me open that bitch up. Yes, sir.